fight for you, but ain't doing shit to them same niggas that clicked on you. I got problems with niggas who ain't got no morals related to the guys that can open and close portals. Flow fire, but the soul ether. They want me dead, I'm in the party with the Grim Reaper. My shorty bugging, I think I'm a leaver. Simple conversations with bitches, how I become a cheater. I stand for what I stand on and execute anything I plan on. And don't see nothing going wrong. I'm about to make the water bubble, niggas lukewarm. The devil still running around my earth, how could I stay calm? An eye for an eye, but we can go gun for gun. If it's something, let it fly. A lot of niggas bitches scared to see what the other side like, but I can see my ancestors approaching in the hindsights. Word. I told y'all niggas I wasn't playing with y'all niggas this year, didn't I? What, you thought I was joking? You ain't never switch up on your mans, that's. And you ain't turn the back on the fam, that's. And he said fuck the money, hit the grams, that's. And he begging God for a second chance, but yeah. I'm round with the 40, he get active with us. Niggas got arms, but I know they soft as caterpillars. I'm running through the jungle like mutant gorillas. We don't need no reps in the field, nigga, we beneficial. So I can get up with you, or I can make a phone call, have niggas get up with you. Bitch only wants you when it's beneficial. She gon' say I love you when it's probably gon' get to you. I'm just keeping it real. You want your heart out there and your soul blinded in the battlefield. I guess I should stop telling you how I feel. And I was built for this shit like I was made of steel. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, real hill crush, nigga. You heard? We the last of a dying breed, you feel me? Shout out my niggas, man. Shout out my nigga Troy, man. My nigga Rick. My nigga Julio. Free my nigga Justo. Ayo, Cheese. I told you I was gonna do this to these niggas, Cheese. Ayo, Mills, what up, nigga? You know how we coming, man. These niggas bitches. My young niggas sad, man. All my niggas, man. Y'all know who y'all are, man. I don't even gotta, you know what I'm saying? I don't even gotta do all that. Niggas might as well call me God at this point the way I'm doing this shit.
D-Mark got that heat.
Hell crush shit, man. Look, check me out. Said I really want my city, I be trapping day and night. Tell them pussies I'm on murder, I know they don't wanna fight. If we see the ops in traffic, slide the doors and hit the lights. If I jump out with this bitch, I bet he run like Jay Rice. So I turn into a demon, nigga, shit into my life. I can't live with no hoes, bitch, you cannot stay tonight. I got pimpin' in my blood, I'm to a bitch like Money Mike. I was following a dark path, I swear I seen the light. Execute the only option, niggas don't know how to fight. Took the long way through hell, I swear this shit been a hike. I was searching for a way out, meditated, lock my sight. Put a sight on the chop, you can't get hit from any height. Bitch, I'm with that. If I ever told you, then I love you, then I meant that. If we scream, it's war, I make a call and I can get that. Them niggas is pussy, if I spin, he get a shit crack. I'm a young nigga from the hill, you better king that. Across the chessboard, watch me move. You never seen a nigga do what I can do. I never seen one of you little niggas shoot, but you be talking on the gram like that's some shit you do, nigga, stop it. Yeah, I'm on that block, we got it lit. Yeah, I got this bitch off a perk and a Vic. Yeah, I want my dogs like Mike Vick. If you want it, you can get it, take a pic. I really want my city, I be trapping day and night. Tell them pussies I'm on murder, I know they don't wanna fight. If we see the ops in traffic, slide the doors and hit the lights. If I jump out with this bitch, I bet he run like Jay Rice. Swear I turned into a demon, nigga, should've took my life. I can't lay up with no holo, bitch, you cannot stay tonight. I got pimpin' in my blood, talk to a bitch like Money Mike. I was following a dark path, I swear I seen the light. Good gas, what I smoke, nigga, me, you not alike. If it's really like that, nigga, meet me by the light. Pull up, big gun, 50 clip in the drum. Rhyme through the ops, I know them niggas ain't on none. Last nigga said it's that, he ain't lit to see the sun. I be wake up in the morning, look at myself, I'm the chosen one. Damn, how I make it this far? I get this big ass gun in the car. I pull up to the club, who in charge? I need a big ass bottle and at least 50 bras. This nigga say he with it, but he ain't got no heart. Still Rambo on a mission, he gon' tear some shit apart. I don't know where to start. Damn. But I know where it's gonna end, cause I swear this life is hard. I don't know where it'll begin. Damn, I got this time on my rollie and that bitch say the time going. I really want my city, I be trapping day and night. Tell them pussies I'm on murder, I know they don't wanna fight. If we see the ops in traffic, slide the doors and hit the lights. If I jump out with this bitch, I bet he run like Jay Rice. Swear I turn into a demon, nigga, should've took my life. I can't lay up with no holo, bitch, you cannot stay the night. I got pimpin' in my blood, talk to a bitch like Money Mike. I was following a dark path, I swear I seen the light.
That I could choose. Already made first place, I can't know. Went through hell and I came back, made it out without the pros. No, this ain't no celebration, it's a welcome to my door. Chase a meal on the way, won't fuck with no one. I think I'm liking this life more than my old one. Ice Cubans with white studs are frozen. Wasn't planning on making this far, but guess I'm chosen. Split a pill in the backstage on my first show. Bad habits that I ain't ready to let go. Try to kill a part of me, wanna let go. Hoping that I'm making inside, though there's the window. Press the whip and lose control. Fuck it, I don't care no more. And we ain't making 24. It's my own party, too busy, was trying to black out. Woke up in the morning, popped all X's and I passed out. 50 different texts of my ex, she want me back now. Wonder if she miss me or miss me blowing her back out. Don't know what's got into me, feel like my life is history. Hoping and praying to find what's got me feeling incomplete. Money, bitches, a cause, I'm betting you that it's nothing. I only need my drugs, they helping to keep me numb. Said I only need some love, but I don't like getting my heart attached. You start feeling something real, then I start falling back. I just want a couple racks, touring with a couple stacks. Where you living boring, so don't ask me when I'm coming back. Yeah, no looking back, I'm on my own. Made it far away from home. Now I'm exactly where I'm supposed. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Double cup be controlling me. Bitches want more, hearts on the floor. Ain't looking back once I walk out that door. Chase a meal, run away, won't fuck with no one. I think I'm liking this life more than my old one. Ice Cubans with white studs are frozen. Wasn't planning on making this far, but guess I'm chosen. Split a pill in the backstage of my first show. Bad habits that I ain't ready to let go. Trying to kill a part of me, wanna let no. Told her that I'm empty inside, go there's the window. Fuck it, I don't care no more. Fuck it, I don't care no
Shit ain't working out, we gotta go our separate ways. I've been trapping all week, feel like I haven't slept in days. He ain't never learned his lesson, nigga stuck up in his ways. You gon' drown up in the water, tryna ride a nigga wave. I've been running through the streets, feel like I'll never be the same. Did it to myself, I guess I ain't the one to blame. Only wanted money, I forgot it came with fame. Don't know how to play, well I can teach you as a game. Having nightmares of being trapped in the basement. I can't trust these niggas and real love, they be faking. Running to a million, I don't really feel like waiting. Niggas threw his life away, he had no motivation. Stuck up in the trap, but very soon I'll be escaping. You thought he was a plug, but the whole time that nigga taping. You thought he was your friend, but the whole time that nigga Satan. You thought he was your homie, the whole time that nigga hating. I came in the vacuum, so you wanna fuck, what's the deal? Money on my line, so sorry, I don't got no time to chill. Probably fake my death when a nigga touch 100 mil. I don't wanna fuck, lil' mommy, I just wanna feel. I don't do no drugs, but just know I got a lot of pills. Money on my mind, need it all, you can't get no deal. Cops coming block hot, so I had to peel. Once they see the top drop, they hit me up to chill. Brody called him lacking, so he know he going for the kill. He caught by a shark in the water, I buy a Navy SEAL. Yeah, I got it, I ain't worried about the latest deals. This Henny is hypnotic, make it bitch take off the heels. I'm taking off my ice because it started to give me chills. Instead of good advice, that nigga rather give me pills. Instead of trying to fuck that nigga down and do a drill. He ain't about him like this, he's gon' always show me real. Shit ain't working out, we gotta go our separate ways. I've been trapping all, feel like I haven't slept in days. Lots of niggas stuck up in his ways. He been drowned up in the water, tryna ride a nigga wave. I've been running through this shit, feel like I'll never be the same. Did it to myself, I guess I ain't the one to blame. Only wanted money, I forgot it came with fame. Don't know how to play, well I can teach you as a game. to try to put gang on the map. Can't give you my number, I'll give you my snap. You beef with my brother, I can't give you that. Running this race is my third overlap. Why these niggas only tough for the strap? I ain't got about weed, cause the hair like Rapunzel. I ball like LeBron, then you ball like Lonzo. Smoke straight paper, I ain't tryna smoke Fonto. Turn just sense me, I ain't tryna combo. Pass both the Glock, make feel like Rondo. Dick in the mouth, think I'm touching the tonsils. Bro got the drum like bongos. Tryna build an empire just like the Mongols. Real life your heart, someone told me to pray. And give you a girl, I want you to stay. Every time we go out, you know I'ma pay. Only fell out one time and she kissed that away. Think about the day I buried my brother, that shit in my mind is stuck on replay. They asked me why did I do it, I sat back and relaxed and had nothing to say. Take something for bro, then you gotta pay. You talking that street shit, but when you get locked, they be taking your tray. Yeah, these big 23s, when I step in today. He heard it, I made it, ain't say congratulations, ain't he ain't say hooray.
Easy when skydiving, he said he'll hit me when he touched ground. I was on the ground scoring touchdowns, and every verse I do is worth a bust down. Cushion clouds that we bust down, too loud, they telling us hush down. I've been moving pretty well at my own pace, there's no need to rush now. I'm on the island, sipping rosé at my cousin's grave. It was his birthday the other day. Nothing ever really gives a pain, so I'll just sit back and record another tape. Probably go smoke on another J. Niggas be quick to be selling their souls, I promise we'll find it another way. New money, old grind, old girl, new shine, old flow, new rhymes. I'm cool with the time with these folks spitting lines. They go, they try, they can't beat the squad, they can't even beat the odds. So why would I waste my time? It's doing the most. Most of these niggas would do it the most. Guns and butter, I'm shooting the toast. I'm not a sheep, I'm not a goat, I'm a red breed. I am a wolf, they are a lie, I am the truth. I'm not from earth, I'm from the booth. Come in peace, check up the deuce.
Man, what the fuck these niggas talking about, man? It's the motherfucking deluxe, nigga. Look, talk out your mouth, you might lose it too. And I stay in my zone, cause I stay in the booth. And I be by my dolly, don't be in the crew. Don't like Curry, my shooter gon' shoot. If you a op, stay out the loop. Talk crazy about game, we'll give you a suit. Now they watching his body straight from Zoom. And I'm smoking his perk, going straight to the moon. If he beefing with us, then you know that he doing. Roll slide with a chop, it go kaboom. Know it's going through flesh, put you in a tomb. Book to the ice, cause we know what to do. Late nights, I was trapped in the stool. Niggas can't move, hot nigga move. Niggas can't groove, hot nigga groove. Been doing this shit, ain't got nothing to prove.
You niggas pump faking, you gon' set yourself up for elimination. Take a trip to my block where I'm really rich and only rolling the gas. Gary Payton, I keep one in the head, I'm never late. They say how you so real, can you demonstrate? Like a room on the spot, make them levitate. As long as I'm alive and shit safe, big checkmate. Open your mind and walk through the gates. Head in the stars, dreaming of a race. If you on my hood, then you out of place. Cause I heard the feds was building a case. Come in the cage and he getting cooked. I been in my bag like a history book. My gun in her bag, I don't gotta look. Come with your pack, that shit getting took. Bitch, niggas know that shit getting took. You know I be with JP, nigga. Stop playing.
Ladies and gentlemen, step right up for another amazing banger by Lex Blaze and Daddy Paul.
Touchdown to Heathrow, DP and me, bro. About to hit the club and turn the shoot to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geek, yo. Need to get yo with an extremely deep. See 6 midgets that be fighting, juggling. Maybe it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like